everybody, it's arTRYx 2023 happening right here at the GI Secondary School campus. I'm super excited to be here. It's going to be artistic, it's going to be fantastic. As you can see, we have the setup underway. It's going to be happening very soon. We have 18 workshops that you can participate in, whether you want to dance, you want to sing, you want to boogie, to show us your moves. It's going to be fun, and we can't wait to see you all express yourself. Welcome to Ghana International School. It's arTRYx. What are your expectations for today?
Oh, thank you very much for this warm welcome. My expectations are nothing but the best. Can't wait to join some of the clubs. I'm so super excited.
The opening ceremony of arTRYx 2023. As it stands, everybody is done with registration and are heading towards their various workshops, aka passion project. Come with me and let's see what they are up to. So this is fashion tote bags, and as you can see, they are making their own tote bags, and this is what they made for me today. And it even matches my face. So this is Mrs. Ohene Ento. She's the head of the art department and the chaperone for fashion. Hello, Miss Mercy.
Hi, Melissa.
So I heard there's a fashion show at the end of everything. What should we expect?
Oh, the fashion show will blow your mind. We have student fashion designers here, Carissa and Amarin. We ramping outfits.
Wow.
So that in here, the public, the student,
wow,
how to make it easier, they're all clean.
This is sip and paint, and as you can see, people who are part of this passion project are sipping and painting. Let's see what they are doing. Hi.
Hello.
What are you doing today?
Currently drawing mountain ranges with this weird paste. So after we apply this, then we'll paint it and then make it look nice, just like normal.
Oh wow. Guys, they are painting mountain valleys. It's going to be very exciting. So we are at the passion project sprinkling. Let's see what they're about. Look at all this delicious food being made. I can't wait for bon appetit. That was so insightful and exciting. It's all about sign language. So yeah, I have with me Chelsea. Hi Chelsea.
Hi.
So today, what did you learn in sign language?
I learned the alphabet and how to spell my name.
Wow.
So this is my name. And this is my sign.
Wow. It's drama time. Let's see what the drama is all about. a blast.
With the energy, the vibes, and the jumps, you know.
We are having so much fun. Everybody's enjoying themselves. Thank you for coming.
We love you.